Okay, dear students, in the last class we have finished the concepts required for doing the exercise 4.5. Okay, what is adjoint, how to find inverse, and what are all the remaining concepts or theorems, whatever it may be, those we have learned. Okay, in this class we are able to do exercise 4.5. Okay, let us start exercise 4.5 questions and all. See what is the first question. Exercise 4.5. Find the adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint we know very well how to find and all. First question, only 2 by 2 matrix they have given. Okay. Adjoint, finding adjoint are for 2 by 2 matrix, two processes are there. One is direct method, another one is find minor and cofactor and transposed cofactors. If you write in a matrix form, then it is going to become adjoint. But we did not do that second position. Second one, transposed cofactors of a matrix, we need not do. Directly we can do. Okay, 2 by 2 shortcut method. Before doing, first take this as A. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like you write. Okay, and direct method you see adjoint. What is adjoint? ADJ A. Adjoint is equal to, how I am writing, you see, AD you reverse, A, B, C, D. AD you reverse, AD if you reverse 4, 1 will become. Okay, and the remaining BC, both you put minus symbol, that means minus 2, minus 3. That's all. This is adjoint. Okay, if A, B, C, D is A, then adjoint A is D, A minus B minus C. That's all. Okay, this AD you are reversing and BC you are putting minus symbol. Okay, this already explained in the last class. Okay, now answer is this one, 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. Okay, then let us go for second question. That also we have to find adjoint. Okay, see the second question. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, but this also we have to find adjoint. We know how to find adjoint for 3 by 3 matrix also. First you find minus. First let us take you this as A. Why? Because adjoint A, you have to write A. Consider this as A. Let A is equal, like you take and then write all minors. Afterwards all cofactors. Afterwards transposed cofactors you write in matrix form. That is going to be called as adjoint. Okay. Let us do it. How I am writing, you see. Okay. First what you are going to do? You are going to make it as A. Let A is equal to, like that you are writing. Okay. Okay. Then one by one you start minor M11. Minor, for minor there is no symbol or sign problem. While cofactors only we will see. Okay, what sign will come and all. Okay, directly you write minor. That means 1 you are closing. 3 minus 0. That means 3 you write. M12. That means minus 1 you are closing. 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10. Okay, 12. Is it okay? Minus 1 you are closing. 2 minus of minus 10 plus 10. Okay. Then M13. M13. 2 you are closing. 0 minus of minus 6 plus 6. Okay. Then you go for M21. M21. 2 you are closing. Then minus 1, 0. That means minus 1 you write. M22. 3 you are closing. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. Then M23 you write. M23 if you write, 5 you are closing. 5 if you close, 0 minus 2. Minus 2 you write. Okay. Okay. Now go for M31. M31. Minus 2 you are closing. That means minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. Okay. M32. 0 you are closing. 0 if you close, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Okay. M33. 1 you are closing. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. See, these are minors. You have to find cofactor. In cofactor symbol or sign, you have to take care. Okay, write cofactors a11, a12, a13, like that you write, goes on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then what you have to write? These row you have to write as a column, transposed. Okay, finally. Let us do first to write cofactors a11. a11 is equal to, you see, a11 means plus only will come. Plus means here plus is there, so plus only. Okay, a12, but here minus will come, minus 12. a13 plus will come, 6. Okay. Okay. Now go for a21. Minus will come. Already minus is there. Minus of minus plus. a22 plus will come, 5. a23 minus will come. Already minus is there. Then plus it is going to become. Okay. Okay. Now a31 plus will come, but minus is there already. Then you take minus only. a32 minus will come, minus 1. a33 plus will come, plus 5. Okay. Now you see, these are cofactors. What we have done, like you can say this, if you put a bracket already, this is going to become matrix of cofactor. But transposed matrix of cofactors you have to. Transposed means this row should become column. Okay. Now you write adjoint. Now you write adjoint. How I am writing, you see. Adjoint A is equal to, okay. Now this horizontal row I am writing as a column. 3 minus 12, 6. 3 minus 12, 6. Okay. 1, 5, 2. 1, 5, 2. Minus 11, minus 1, 5. Minus 11, minus 1, 5. Okay. This is your adjoint. Adjoint we have to find. Okay. First and second questions. This is adjoint. This is the answer. Okay. Write it down and we will go for third question. Okay. See the third question. Third question, what we have to prove? Third and fourth we have to prove this one. Verify. We have to verify. Adjoint A into A is equal to A into adjoint A, that is equal to determinant A into I. Okay. This we have to do. Okay. See how to proceed and all I am telling. First you find determinant and multiply it with y, I. Ri, you keep this determinant is one number will come. Say if determinant comes 11, 11i, 12, 12i, 10, 10i, minus 3, minus 3i, like that you write. Okay, this and keep aside. Then one, first you take this one, adjoint A into A. Then see, you have to find adjoint also. Adjoint you find and adjoint A into A you find. Whether 11i has come, you see, 11i has come, okay. Then you rub. Again you take this one. Okay. Both you compare. Like that we will do. Okay. What we are doing first? Determinant A. Let us find determinant A. See, finding determinant for 2 by 2 is very easy. AD minus BC. Okay. You see, determinant A is equal to minus 12 minus of minus plus 12, that is equal to 0. See, 0 has come. That means determinant A into I is equal to 0. Okay, you see, minus 12 minus of minus 12. Both minus 12, but AD minus BC, if you do, minus of minus 12 is going to become plus. Minus 12 plus 12 is gives 0. 0 into I means 0 only. Completely 0 matrix will come. That means now you see, find adjoint. See, finding adjoint for 2 by 2 is very easy. Simply, okay, reverse and put minus symbols. Adjoint A into A you take. Okay, see, first, before that, first you have to take this as A. Let A is equal to, like you have written. Why? Because see, determinant A you are writing means what? This is A, like you have to consider. Okay, we have considered it as A. We have found determinant A has come 0. That means A into I has become 0. Okay. Now find adjoint A. Why? Because see, this also should become equal to 0. Then only our process is correct. Let us do adjoint A. You find first. adjoint A is equal to, finding adjoint A for 2 by 2 is easy. You reverse this AD, that means minus 6 to 2, then put minus symbol, minus 3 plus 4. Are these okay? Adjoint A adjoint A, 2 minus 6 reversed and minus symbol, minus of minus plus. Okay. Now you calculate what we have to calculate, adjoint A into A. Adjoint A into A means what I am writing. You see, I am putting comma here. Why? Because both side by side you should have adjoint A. A is equal to, again, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Okay. Why I am writing side by side? Side by side, if you write, easily you can do this multiplication and all. Okay, now I am writing adjoint A into A is equal to, I am doing this calculation here. Adjoint A into A is equal to, adjoint A into A. You see, adjoint A into A. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Okay. Now, minus 6 into 3, minus 18. Minus 3 into minus 6 plus 18. Okay. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 8. 12 minus 12. Okay, what has become same? 0, 0 only. Why? Because see, minus 12 plus 12, 0, minus 18 plus 18, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 12 minus 12, 0. That means, see, we can write adjoint A and A is equal to 0 or O. Why? Because see, this is going to become 0. 0, 0, 0. Also, we can write 0, 0, 0. Finally, that is equal to 0. O. Okay, it is going to become O. See, now we have proved adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into A. Why? Because you write again, that is equal to determinant A into I. Okay, 0. Okay, now what we have to do? You have to prove this also, A into adjoint A. That also we have to do. Let us write A into adjoint A is equal to, A is what? This one. Write down 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Into adjoint A, minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. Okay. Okay. Take this arrows, then easily you can do calculation. Okay, now I am multiplying. You see how I am multiplying. Okay, 2 into minus 6, minus 12, plus 12. Minus 6, plus 6. Minus 20, plus 24, sorry. Minus into minus plus 24, minus 24. 12. See, plus 12, minus 12. Okay. This also going to become 0, 0 only. You see, plus minus 12 plus 12, 0, minus 6 plus 6, 0, 24 minus 24, 0, 12 minus 12, 0. That means, you see, you write like this, A into adjoint A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. That is equal to determinant AI. Okay. That means we can say that we can write proved. LHS is equal to RHS and proved like that. Means see, A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I. This is the answer. Okay. Now this is only 2 by 2 matrix. Third question. Fourth question 3 by 3 has given. Let us do that also. Okay. This is the fourth question. What we have to do? This question also we have to show or verify A into adjoint A. Let us take this as A. If you take this A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant AI. That we have to prove. Okay. First what we do, let us take this as A. Okay. Let us take this as A and find first determinant A. Why? Because see, I am writing again here. A into adjoint A, that is equal to adjoint A into A, that is equal to determinant A I. This you have to prove. Okay. For proving this, first we calculate this determinant AI. Let us find determinant A is equal to. Why? Because see, determinant A, finding determinant is very easy. Why? Because you see here two zeros are there. If you find by this column 2, then with one step we can get. See, minus 1, how you are going to take? Plus, minus, plus. That means this is minus. Minus of minus 1 into, okay, determinant we are finding. If you close this minus 1 row and column, then 9, okay, minus of minus 2 plus 2. That means it is going to become 11. 11 minus of minus plus 1 it has become. That means here nothing is there. With 1 we have to multiply 11. That is equal to A, 11. That means finally determinant AI is equal to 11i. Okay. 11i has to come. We need not write 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11 like. Even if write also not wrong or not required also. Simply you can write 11i. That means A into adjoint A, 11i has to come. 11i means how it will come? 11 0 0, that again you can write it as 11i. See, now what is the next step? Adjoint A. Finding adjoint A is the next step. See, here adjoint A directly like 2 by 2 you cannot find. You have to go for minors, cofactors, then transposed cofactors in matrix form you have to write. That is going to be called as adjoint A. Let us do it. Okay. Let us do that one. Okay. What I am doing, let me put one line here. Okay. 50%. Let us do in like this. Okay. See, I am writing minors first. Minors M11 like that. M11 is equal to, we are closing 1, then see 0. M12, we are closing minus 1, then 9 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 11. Okay. Now M13, we are closing 2, 2, 2. Okay. Then 0 again. Okay. Okay. Now take M21. M21 we are taking. M21 if you take, see 3 we are closing. 3 if you close automatically minus 3, 0. That means minus 3 you write. M22 we are writing. 0, 3, minus 2, 1. M23. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. Now minus 2 we are closing. M23 means minus 2. If you close automatically 0 plus 1. 1. 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Okay. That is M23. Write down M31. M31. Okay. M31 1. 1 if you close automatically you see 2 minus 0. That means 2 it is going to become. Okay. Minus of minus 2. 0. Okay. Now M32. M32 if you close this 0 then minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. Is it okay? You see minus 2 minus 6. Okay. Now take M33. 3 you are closing. 3 if you close automatically 0 minus of minus 3 plus 3. 3. Okay. See these are cofactors. What we have to find? We have to find, sorry, these are minors. We have to find cofactors. Let us find cofactors. A11 plus 0 is there means there is no requirement to put any sign. A12 minus 11 is there means minus 11 you have to write. A13 plus, but 0 is there, need not consider. Then go for A21 minus. Minus is there, then plus 3 you can make. A22 plus. Plus is there, okay, write down. A23 minus 1 is there, then minus 1 you write. Okay. Okay, then write A31. A31. Okay. A31 is what? Plus. 2 is there, okay, 2, right? A32 minus already is there, that means you make it as plus. A33 plus, but 0 is there, sorry, 3 you write. Okay, now cofactors we have written. What we have to do, you have to write transposed cofactors. See, now like a row or horizontal, you write vertical like a column. This if you write, that is going to become adjoint. Why? Because adjoint we want. Okay, let us find adjoint. First you find adjoint. Adjoint A is equal to, okay, see, 0, 11, minus 11, 0. 0, minus 11, 0. Okay. 3, 1, minus 1. 3, 1, minus 1. Third row is going to become third column. 2, 8, 3. 2, 8, 3. Okay. This is adjoint. Okay. Now, you know both A, adjoint A. First you find A into adjoint A. Let us find. Write down A into adjoint A. First write down like this. A adjoint A is equal to. Okay. Okay, let me write A into adjoint A. 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3. Okay. Adjoint A. 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 8, 0, minus 1, 3. Okay. See, this multiplication, how to do multiplication? Arrows you take first. Okay. Okay, now you write down. Okay, see 0, okay, plus 11, okay, 0. Okay, now you see what has to come. If you have made correctly this determinant, then you know answer. 11i has to come. 11i means 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11 has to come. If those are not coming, means again you can go back. But how can you confirm? You have to first make it very sure. Delta. Well, because this is I, we know I you need not change. But A, delta, you have to find correctly. Okay. Now here it has come. So 11 has come. 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11 has to come. What answer has to come? I know. Okay, that is very helpful for me. Okay. Now here 0 has to come. You see 3, okay, minus 1, okay, minus 2. You see 3 minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 3, 0. Okay, 2, minus 8, plus minus 6. Sorry, plus 6. Plus 8, minus 8, 0. Okay. Like this, these are going to become. Okay, now take this one. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay, now 9, 0, 2. You see now it has become plus 11. 0. 6 plus 2, 8 minus 8, 0. 0, 0, 0. That means this is going to become 0. Sorry, 11. Here 0 will come. Let us see. 6, 0, minus 6. Okay? Okay. Take last one. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay, let's second one. 3, 0, minus 3. Like 3 minus 3, 0. Here also 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 0. Okay. Now here 11 has to come. 11. 11. 2, 0, 9. Okay. Now you see A into adjoint A, how much has come? 11. I has come. Okay. Now you see I am removing this. Why? Because the cofactors and all not required, but A and adjoint A required for us for complete question. Even we have to do this also, adjoint A into A. Okay, what I am doing, I am removing this. You first note down, pause and note down, I am removing this one, this portion. Okay. Okay. Okay, see, A and A into adjoint A value, this has to come. Write down. A, sorry, A, capital A we have to write, now. This one. A into adjoint A is equal to, what is come? 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11 has come. This is equal to 11i. Okay. Or finally you can write A into, see, A into adjoint A 11i has come. That means A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I. See, these two have proved, like verified. We have to do now this one, adjoint A into A. Okay. Let us do that also. Let us do that also. Write down now. Adjoint A into A. I am writing, you see, adjoint A into A. That is equal to. Now this also 11i has to come. 11i. Okay. Okay. Write down. First adjoint A, you write adjoint A is this one. Zero 3 2 minus 11 1 8 0 minus 1 3 into A is this one, 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. Okay. Now all calculation let us try to do here, or else we have to go that side. Why? Because this we have proved, we need not require. Adjoint we require finally. Okay, let us do first make arrows. Can we do here? Try to do here. Okay. What I am going to do, I am going to change this colors. Okay, you see, this also 11i has to come. That we know answer. First 11 has to come. You see, 0, okay, 9, 2. Okay, next 0, 0, 0. Next 0, minus 6, plus 6. You see, 11, 0, 0 has come. Okay, we are going in correct direction. Let us take another one, second one. Minus 11, 3, plus 8. That means plus 11 minus 11, 0. Okay, now plus 11, 0, 0. That means here 11 has to come. You see 0, 0, 0, 0, 11. 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11 has to come. 11 has to come, 11 has come. Now here 0 has to come. Minus 22, okay. Minus 2, plus 24. That means plus 24 minus 24. Okay. Now write down 0 plus 2 sorry, I have to calculate this one first. 0 minus 3. See, 0 minus 3, okay, plus 3. Okay. Okay. Now second one, 0, 0, 0. Last one, 0 plus 2 plus 9. Okay, now you see here 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11 has come. Okay, now what you are going to do? You are going to do here. Okay, I am rubbing this. Pass and note down. I am going to remove this one. Okay, these two we are not going to remove. So this I am going to remove. This we already proved. Okay, A into adjoint A we have proved. Adjoint A into A we are proving. Okay. Now this is what adjoint A into A. Write down adjoint A into A is equal to, you see 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Write down 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Sorry. Is it okay? Okay. Now you can write like this: adjoint A into A is equal to 11. 11 means 11i. That is equal to 11i. That is equal to determinant A I. Okay. Now we can write hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved, like that you can write. Why? Because all have come same. 11i, 11i, 11i has come. Okay. This is your fourth question. Let us go for fifth question. Okay. See fifth question what they have given. Find the inverse of matrix. You see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See up to 9 we are going to try in this class now. All these questions we have to find inverse. But see, inverse finding 2 by 2 is little bit easy. Why? Because see, we are not going to find this inverse of matrix by transformation or elementary operation methods. Okay, we are not going to find with those methods. We are going to find with the determinant method. Determinant method means what? Determinant you have to find, adjoint you have to find, adjoint divided by determinant. That means 1 by determinant into adjoint. If you multiply, then that is going to be called as inverse. Okay, in this way you are going to find. Okay, see here one thing they have written, if exists, like they have written. This I have not written, I have forgotten to write. If exists, this is crucial. Why? Because see, what is the formula for inverse? First let us write inverse formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. This we have proved also. Proved or verified like earlier class. Okay. See here determinant A is in denominator. If denominator becomes 0, then this is going to become undefined or infinity. Okay. If determinant becomes 0, then you need not find adjoint also. Straight away you write there is no inverse exists, like you can write. Why? Because 1 by 0 is undefined or infinity. Okay. That is why what we are going to write. First we are going to find determinant. Determinant you find, if determinant A, det A is not equal to 0, then determinant A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists, like you have to write. Then you proceed adjoint A. Adjoint A 2 by 2 is very easy, you can find. Okay. What we are doing now? We are finding determinant A first. Let us find determinant A. See, finding determinant A is easy for 2 by 2. AD minus BC. 6 minus of minus 8. That is equal to 14. Is it correct? Okay. 6 minus of minus 8 plus 8. 14. That means, see, determinant A is not equal to 0. Write down. Determinant A is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Okay. A inverse exists. If A inverse exists, then you proceed for adjoint A. Okay. Adjoint A. Adjoint A is also easy for 2 by 2. How you are going to write adjoint A for 2 by 2? AD you are going to reverse AD. Okay. And BC you change the sign. Plus 2, minus 4. Is it okay? Plus you need not write. Okay. Minus is going to become plus. Plus 4 is going to become minus 4. These two are going to reverse. Okay. Now you received adjoint A also. Now you can write A inverse. Write down. Again you write down the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay. Now write down. What is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by 14. Okay. 1 by 14 into, write this adjoint, 3, 2, minus 4, 2. Is it okay? Okay. Now this is answer for your 5th question. See, all up to 9th question, we have to find this inverse only. Okay. Let us try to find remaining questions. First note it down. We'll go for, okay, see, 6th question also 2 by 2 only. This is also very easy, finding determinant A. We have to take this as A. First you have to consider this as A. Then find determinant A. Determinant A if not equal to 0, then only it exists inverse. Okay. Let us find determinant A. Then I am taking this as A. Determinant A is equal to AD minus BC. Minus 2 minus of minus 8 plus 8. That is equal to 6. Is it okay? You see, minus 15 plus 15. 5 into 3, 15. Minus 15. Minus of minus 15 plus 15. Plus 15 minus 2. That means plus 13 it is going to become. Now you see, A inverse is not, determinant A is not 0. Then A inverse is existed. You write down like this. A determinant A is not equal to 0. Why? Because 13 has come, not 0. Then A inverse exists. You write it. Okay. Then you proceed for adjoint A. Now, okay, adjoint A. Write down adjoint A is equal to adjoint A. How to find adjoint A? Just you reverse this AD. I am reversing AD. Okay. 2 minus 1 I have to put minus symbol. Minus 5, 3. Minus 5, 3. Is it okay? Okay. Then you go for inverse. How to find inverse? Like this you find, write down A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. That is equal to, write down. See, 13, 1 by 13. 1 by 13 into adjoint, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. Okay? See, 2 by 2 little bit easy to find. For 2 by 2 matrix, inverse, adjoint, determinant, whatever it may be. For 3 by 3, you have to do some hard work. Okay? Let us go for 7th question. Write it down. Okay. See, 7th question. This also we have to find inverse of the matrix. Let us consider this as A, and A inverse you have to find. But before finding A inverse, you have to see whether it exists or not. That means determinant A you have to find. Determinant A doesn't come 0, then A inverse exists. Like that you have to write. Okay. What I am doing, you see, you observe carefully. Let A is equal to, like I am doing this. Determinant A I am finding. See, finding determinant is easy here. Why? Because see, by column 1, if you find 2 zeros are there, that means plus 1, if we multiply this, then determinant will come. Okay. See, determinant A is equal to plus 1 into 10 minus 0. That means 10. Why? Because 0, 0, you need that rate again by column 1. Okay. Now determinant A is equal to 10 means that is not equal to 0. Then inverse exists. Write down. Determinant A is not equal to 0. A inverse exists. Okay. That you have to write. Okay. If A inverse exists means what is your next procedure? You have to find minors, cofactors, adjoint. Then only you can find A inverse. Okay. Now I am putting this one line here. We goes on find first minors, M11, M12 and all. Okay. See, several are going to come zeros. Let us do it. M11. M11 is 10 only. Okay. M12. 2 we are closing, then 0. Okay. M13. 3 we are closing, then 0. You see, several are going to come zeros. Let it be. We will proceed further. Okay, write down M21. 0 you are closing. This means second row. Second row 0 you are closing. Second row, second column. First column. That means 10, 0. That means 10 only will come. Okay, M22. See, 2 you are closing. 2. That means 5, 0. That means 5 you write. M23. 4 you are closing row and column. Then 4 if you close 0, 0. Then 0. Okay. Then go for M31. M31. See 0 you are closing. Then 8 minus 6. 2. Is it correct? 8 minus 6. Yes, 2 correct. M32. 0 you are closing this 0. Then 4 0. That means 4 you write. M33. Okay, this one. Close this. Then 2 0. 2 you take. See, these are minors. You find cofactors. How to find cofactors? Just a symbol. Okay, sign you have to change. That's all. Okay, write down A11. Same plus. That means 10 means 10 only. Okay. A12. Sign has to be changed. Minus. 0 means, see, for 0 there is no sign change. A13. 0, there is no sign change. Okay. Now A21. Okay. See, A21 sign has to be changed. 10 means minus 10 you write. A22. Plus sign. Same. 5. A23. Sign to be changed. 0. For 0 there is no sign. Okay. Then go for A31. Same sign. 2. A32. Sign to be changed. Minus 4. A33. Same sign. 2. Okay. Now you see these are cofactors. Adjoint A means these row cofactor has to become column. First row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. If you write, that is going to become adjoint. Let us write adjoint A is equal to, okay, 10 0 0 minus 10 5 0 2 minus 4 2. Okay, now this is adjoint. Okay, now write the formula. Which formula you are writing? A inverse formula. Why? Because finally you have to find A inverse. Write down A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay. That formula if you write, then you can write A inverse finally. Write down A inverse is equal to 1 by, what is determinant? Determinant is 10. 1 by 10 into, okay, then what is adjoint? Adjoint is this one. 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 0 0 2. Okay. This is answer for your 7th question. Okay. Note it down. We go for 8th question. Okay. See the 8th question. This question also I have to find A inverse if exists like they have told. Then what we are going to do? We are taking this as A. Let A is equal like we are taking, and determinant A we will find. If determinant A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists like we are writing. Then afterwards minus we will find. Cofactors we will find. Transposed cofactors we will write in matrix form. That is going to be called as adjoint A. And A inverse we can find. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A is in A inverse. Okay. Let us proceed further. Okay. See, write down this is A. Let A is equal to. And you find determinant A. See, finding determinant A is easy here. Why? Because see, here 2 zeros are there. Okay, then you find by row 1. With one step it will come. Okay, we see plus 1 into, okay, then 1 if you close automatically minus 3, 0. Okay, minus 3, minus 0. That means minus 3 is going to become. See, determinant A should not become 0. Minus 3 or anything you can, it is there, then A inverse is exists. You write down. Determinant A is not equal to 0. A inverse exists. Okay? Like this you write first. Determinant A is not equal to 0. Then A inverse exists. Okay. Next, what is the procedure? Find all minors first. Okay? Let us find minors. I am finding minors. You see, M11 is equal to Okay, M11, 1 I am closing, that means -3. Okay, M12, see 0 I am closing, -3, this also -3 only. Okay, M13, 0 I am closing, 6 -15, 6 -15, -9, write down -9. Okay, then go for M21, 3 we are closing, 0, 0, then 0 will come. M22, 3 we are closing, -1, 0, that means -1. M23, okay, 2, 0, that means 2. Okay, yes, 2. Go for M31, okay. Now see 0, M32, 0, 0, this is also 0. Okay, yes, this is also 0 and this is also 0. Okay, now go for M33, 3 minus 0, that means 3. Okay, now see, these are minors. Find cofactors. A11, A12 and all. Okay, find A11. A11 same symbol, that means -3. A12 change symbol, +3. A13 same symbol, -9. Okay. Okay, now take A21. A21 change symbol, 0. A22 same symbol, same sign, -1. A23 change symbol, 2, -2. Okay, write down A31 same sign, 0. Change sign, 0. Same sign, 3. Okay, now see, these are cofactors in row form. Then you write these are in column form. First row, first column. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. Then that is going to be called as adjoint A. Write down adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to, okay, -3, 3, -9. -3, 3, -9. Okay. 0, -1, -2. 0, -1, -2. 0, 0, 3. 0, 0, 3. Okay, see, this is adjoint A. Now you write the formula. Formula for A inverse. Write down the formula. See, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. This is the formula. Okay. Write down then A inverse. Why? Because you are having determinant also and adjoint also. Write down A inverse is equal to, see, -3 has come. See, rather than 1 by -3, shall I write -1 by 3? Why? Because I am going to transfer this to numerator. Okay, -1 by 3 into, now adjoint A. -3, 0, 0, 3, -1, 0, -9, -2, 3. Is it okay now? This will be your answer for 8th question. Note it down. One more last question for this class. 9th question we will do. Okay, note it down. Okay, see, 9th question. 3 by 3 matrix they have given. We have to find A inverse if exists. That means first what we have to do, let A, you have to take this one. Determinant A you have to find. If A is not equal, determinant A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists, like you have to write. Find minors, cofactors, write in matrix form, transposed cofactors, then that is going to be called as adjoint A. Then 1 by determinant A into adjoint A is your A inverse. This procedure you have to follow. Let us find. Okay. First what you have to do, you have to take it as A. Let A is equal to, okay, let A is equal to this one. And determinant A I am finding. See here, determinant A, for finding there is no more zeros, but only one zero is there in column 3. Then prefer this one. +3, -0, +1. Why? Because see, plus minus plus. This also plus. Both are plus means this is minus, but 0 you need not take. Plus 3 plus 1 you have to take, and you find your determinant. Okay. Plus 3 into, you see, if you close this, 8 minus 7. Okay. 8 minus 7. Again 0 we are not taking. Again plus 1 into. Okay. 1 if you take, that means minus 2 minus 4. Is it okay? You see, minus 2 minus 4. Okay. Now determinant A is equal to, see, 8 minus 7, 1. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 6. Minus 3 is going to become. Okay. 3 minus 6 minus 3. That means determinant A is minus 3. That means here you are having A inverse. Write down that one. Write down. Determinant A is not equal to 0. A inverse exists. Okay. If A inverse exists, what you have to do? You have to find first adjoint A. That means minus you have to find. Minus. Okay. Let us find minus. Minus I am finding. M11. I am closing 2. That means minus 1. That's all. I am closing this 1. That means 4. That's all. Why? Because 0 will come. I am closing M13. I am closing 3. 8 minus 7. 1. Okay. See, that is for first row. Second row also you take M21. Sorry, M21. M21 if you take 1 minus 6. Yes, 1 minus 6 minus 5. M22. You are closing minus 1. 2 minus 21. Minus of minus 21 plus 21. 2 plus 21. 23. M23. 0 you are closing. If you close 0, 4 plus 8. Sorry, plus 7. 4 plus 7, 11. Is it correct? You see, 2 into 2, 4. Minus of minus 7. Plus 7. 4 plus 7, 11. Okay, 11 has come. Okay. Now go for M31. Okay, M31 I am finding. You see, minus 7 I am closing row and column. 0 plus 3. 3 will come. Is it okay? Yes, 0 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Okay, M32. M32 if you take 2 you are closing by row and column, then 0 minus 12. You take minus 12. Okay, M33. M33. 1 you are closing. 1 if you close automatically minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Okay, see, these are minors. Then you find cofactors. Okay, cofactors. Goes on, you alternate, you change sign. First you don't change sign. A11, no sign change. Minus 1 only. A12, change sign. Minus 4. A13, same. 1. Okay. Then A21, change sign. Minus 5 plus 5 will become. A22, same sign. 2, 3. A23, change sign. Minus 11. Okay. Okay, then you find A31, same. 3. A32, sign change. Plus 12. Okay. A33, same. Minus 6. Okay. Now you see, you have got all cofactors. These cofactors you have write in matrix form. Okay, transposed matrix form. Write down adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to, see how I am writing. Minus 1, minus 4, 1. Rather than in row, I will write in column. Minus 1, minus 4, 1. Write down minus 1, minus 4, 1. Minus 1, minus 4, 1. Okay, now 523 minus 11. 523 minus 11. 312 minus 6. 312 minus 6. Okay, this will be your adjoint A. Then write down the formula for A inverse. Write down the formula for A inverse. Write down. This is A inverse formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay. Write down now A inverse. A inverse is equal to. Okay. Now minus 3 has come. I will write minus 1 by 3. Okay. You copy this. Minus 1, 5, 3, minus 4, 23, 12, 1, minus 11, minus 6. That's all. Okay. This will be your final answer for 9th question. Okay. See, we have completed 9 questions. We will stop this class here. We will try to solve remaining questions in next class. Okay. Thank you very much.